Are you ready to master CapCut in minutes? Whether you're a beginner or an expert, we've got you covered. This is part of our library of quick CapCut tutorials for easy editing solutions. And now I'm going to show you how to do the zoom through text effect in CapCut. This is perfect for intros or anything like that. Now, before I move into the main part of the video, if you want to elevate these transitions to the next level and make your video stand out, I recommend adding a background track and sound effects. And what this will do is really elevate the video and make these transitions pop. Now, where do you get your background sounds from and the sound effects? That is where Epidemic Sound will step in. There's no need to worry about copyright claims and getting your videos taken down or anything like that with Epidemic Sound. There's a link in the description below. It's well worth checking them out if you want to take your video production to the next level. So let's get back into the main video. So first things first, let's head to the top bar here and select text and drag any text into the timeline. Let's just keep it simple and type Joy. Now you want to select your font and your font size. Now I recommend keeping it relatively small like this, as this will be the start of your zoom effect. Once you're happy, bring the playhead to the start of the text, then come down to position and scale, press a keyframe, then bring the playhead to the end of the text. Now adjust the scale to 500. The keyframe will automatically be added. Now if you look at that, it zooms right out like that. Now what you need to do is export this to a file. So let's export it by coming up to the top right hand corner and selecting export, and then export again. Now we'll put this file into our CapCut again, what we've just exported. We can delete that off our timeline, the original text, and drag the exported file onto the timeline. Then the media we want to add the fly through effect in. Make sure the text is on the top, so drag it to the top here like that. Highlight the text media on the top, come over to the right hand side, select video, basic, then select the blend, and then you want the mode drop down. Then you want to select multiply. Then when we press play, as you can see, you can see the zoom through text works okay, but we can perfect it to make it look even better. Adjust the bottom media so the person or whichever you want the text through to appear looks a little better. So I'll adjust it so the lady stays within the O of joy. So I think that position is okay. But how can we make it look a little better? Because it just flicks off at the end. So highlight the top text media, what we made earlier on. Come up to the top to animation, then select out, and you want to search for zoom in, and then press this. That'll be added to the end of that text. So now when we play it, much better with that little animation added to the end. So that's how to do the zoom through text in CapCut. Perfect for intros or transitions. But the journey doesn't end there. Dive deeper into the world of CapCut with our dedicated playlist of tutorials. Learn everything from basic edits to advanced techniques that will take your videos to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or on screen now to start watching.